Yes, so I've got these solid panels with what here over there. Oh, look at this, 10 cents each. 10 cents each. That's a huge bag. Talkers. Yes, I've got two of those solid panel horses, as you can see. Just beautiful copper inside. You know, and scrapping the case is going to be a bit of a hassle. And then I thought, wow, look at this. This is perfect. Epoxy table mould, and even better, this insulation. I think it's a sign. Oh, yeah, that pattern now. I don't know if you can pick up on camera. If that goes in between the guts and the wood, then I put that psychedelic if you see my other table, you know what I'm talking about. It all looks so sick. So because that's not metal, or just the edges are, but I don't know if it's not. It's actually plastic, so it would have been almost impossible to recycle. So I'll just chuck a bit of plastic in there and do epoxy mold for the table. Isn't that cool? But how cool is this? Well, I thought it would have been full of what do you call it, foam, but no, it was just that in there. So what a copper. I love it when my number one customer rings me up for an scrap job. It's always good. And yeah, we'll try and recycle as much of that as we can. You know, repurpose, recycle. I still got to figure out what I got to do with the glass on it yet, but I'm sure I'll figure something. Yeah, you might be wondering about the Sawmill trailer. Well, the deal is, I'm not the best at building stuff, especially like when it comes to big roads and stuff. And I pain in the arse to reach. I don't even know where to get how I'm going to stamp the bin on it, which you have to do, and then it has to. Like, I wouldn't trust this, man. As far as like I build it, mate, like, it might be totally unsafe, and I might kill someone with it. So, you know, it's all a bit of a hassle, which is a shame because the matter was out to be so much easier than it was. Like, it took me a whole year to build the place, to get the sawmill like built and run. You know, I had it here on this for a while, but you know, until this gets registered, I can't take it anywhere, which is just crap. It just pisses me off a hell of a lot, but you know, this is life. One day it will be gone. Yes, so that's that. What would you like to say, people? Anything you want to say to the camera? Tell the people? Yep. No, that's good. That's really good stuff, mate. What about you guys? Yep. Yeah, they're valid points too. Valid points, yeah. Yeah, so everyone's chimed in and said their piece, and it's all pretty cool. Well, you know, is it really? How cool is it? That's not cool. Be cool. Sawmilling, it's a thrilling thing to do. What would you do if you could? There was a banana. See, that one's not too bad now. But the other one, let's talk about this one. Yeah, that's a banana too. Oh, banana. I think it's something to do with that. That's not banana though. Yes, we're going to have to box that out and move this trailer out there. At least it's got plenty of fill. That's all fill, so you know, you say it's a mess, but it's not as bad as it looks. Oh, it's terrible, people. It's just terrible. So terrible. It was worse. Look what happened to me bloody workspace. Didn't even last 3 months. Bloody hell. We're going to have to sort that out too. What the hell are we going to do about that, people? This sit here and cry about it. Look at all the cans. Look at the cans, man. And bottles, 10 cents each. Oh, bloody endless. That's a 3 metre bag. 3 meters of bag, lady. Bag, lady. Check out the illegal rave, man. Wow. So the workspace is a bit of a nightmare again. What are we gonna do? What will I do? I have to mark some posts, I guess, and make a proper roof. I guess that's the only option, isn't it? Slamming tunes. Go to the illegal rave. Have a party. Pan's all done. Have to get some dirt from the fields, I think. Go up and see Hagar and get some. Goodbye to all the ravers out there. Come to the next party.